Title of the story, Wolf and the Seven Kids. Once upon a time, in a quaint little cottage nestled deep within the forest, there lived a loving mother goat with her 7 adorable kids. Each kid was as mischievous and playful as the next, and they spent their days frolicking in the meadow and exploring the wonders of the woods. One sunny morning, while their mother was out gathering food, a sly and cunning wolf caught wind of the delicious feast that awaited him in the cottage. With a wicked grin, he devised a plan to trick the unsuspecting kids and satisfy his hunger. Creeping up to the cottage, the wolf put on his best disguise, mimicking the voice of their mother. "Open up, my dear children. I have returned with delicious treats for each of you," he called out in a sweet tone. The youngest kid, always eager for treats, bounded to the door and peered through the keyhole. But as soon as he caught sight of the wolf's sharp teeth and gleaming eyes, he knew something was amiss. "No, mother. Your voice sounds strange, and your paws look too big," he cried out, trembling with fear. The other kids, hearing their brother's warning, quickly sprang into action. They barricaded the door and hid in various nooks and crannies of the cottage, refusing to let the wolf in. Frustrated by their cleverness, the wolf hatched a new plan. He slunk away from the cottage, waiting patiently for their mother to return. As the sun began to set and darkness descended upon the forest, the wolf spotted the mother goat making her way home. With a wicked grin, the wolf approached her, pretending to be a lost traveler in need of directions. The mother goat, ever kind-hearted, offered to help him find his way. But as they drew nearer to the cottage, the mother goat caught sight of the wolf's menacing gaze. Realizing the danger that lurked nearby, the mother goat let out a loud bleat, alerting her kids to the impending threat. With a newfound determination, the kids rushed to her side, ready to defend their home. Seeing the fierce loyalty and bravery of the mother goat and her kids, the wolf knew he stood no chance against them. With his tail between his legs, he slunk back into the shadows of the forest, defeated and hungry. From that day forward, the mother goat and her 7 kids remained ever vigilant, keeping a watchful eye out for any signs of danger. And though the wolf may have been cunning, he could never outsmart the love and courage of a family united.